12 Incredible Amazon Kitchen Gadgets 2025. Step into a world where kitchen chores become a breeze, creativity meets convenience, and your cooking game reaches new heights. The kitchen is the heart of every home, and the right tools can transform it into a space of endless possibilities. With the innovative kitchen gadgets of 2025, even the most mundane tasks can feel like a culinary adventure. From slicing and blending to organizing and cleaning, these gadgets are designed to make your kitchen time more efficient, fun, and rewarding. These incredible Amazon finds are not just tools. They are companions that redefine how you cook, clean, and enjoy your meals. Karcher Southeast 4001 Cleaner Machine. The Karcher Southeast 4001 Cleaner Machine is not just another cleaning device. It's a powerhouse of innovation designed to keep your kitchen spotless. This all-in-one cleaner excels at removing tough stains, dirt, and spills from various surfaces, including tiles, carpets, and upholstery. Equipped with advanced water filtration technology, it ensures a deep clean while maintaining the hygiene of your kitchen environment. What sets this machine apart is its user-friendly design and versatility. The powerful suction and spray system make cleaning effortless, even in hard-to-reach areas. Say goodbye to scrubbing for hours or using multiple cleaning tools. The Karcher Southeast 4001 does it all. Whether it's after a messy cooking session or a major spill, this gadget is your ultimate cleaning companion, leaving your kitchen spotless in no time. Ganesha Immersion Blender. The Ganesha Immersion Blender is the ultimate tool for blending, pureeing, and mixing, bringing professional-grade performance to your kitchen. Its high-speed motor and stainless steel blades ensure smooth and consistent results every time, whether you're whipping up creamy soups, sauces, or smoothies. What makes this blender truly stand out is its ergonomic design and versatility. The lightweight handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for extended periods. Plus, its detachable parts are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're an experienced chef or a novice in the kitchen, the Ganesha Immersion Blender empowers you to create culinary masterpieces with ease and precision. Planetary Coffee Canister. The Planetary Coffee Canister is a game-changer for coffee enthusiasts who value freshness and flavor. Designed with an airtight seal and a built-in CO2 valve, this canister keeps your coffee beans or grounds fresh for longer by locking out air and moisture. Beyond its functionality, the sleek, modern design makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen counter. The canister also features a convenient date tracker, so you'll never forget when you stored your coffee. With the Planetary Coffee Canister, every cup of coffee becomes a flavorful experience, whether you're brewing for yourself or hosting a crowd. Cognay Funnel Set. The Cognay Funnel Set is a must-have for anyone who values efficiency and precision in the kitchen. This set includes collapsible, BPA-free silicone funnels in various sizes, making it easy to pour liquids or dry ingredients into containers without any mess. The flexibility and durability of these funnels make them incredibly versatile. They collapse for easy storage, saving valuable space in your kitchen drawers. Whether you're transferring oil into a bottle, filling jars with spices, or pouring batter into molds, the Cognay Funnel Set ensures perfect results every time. These funnels are a simple yet indispensable addition to any kitchen. H2O Floss Water Flosser. While primarily a dental tool, the H2O Floss Water Flosser finds a surprising and practical use in the kitchen. Perfect for cleaning small, intricate gadgets or removing stubborn food particles from hard-to-reach corners of appliances. This tool delivers precision cleaning with its adjustable water pressure. Its compact design and portability make it an excellent companion for maintaining hygiene in your kitchen. Whether it's cleaning reusable straws, small juicer parts, or tight crevices in your appliances, this water flosser ensures thorough cleaning without the need for harsh chemicals. It's a versatile gadget that redefines cleanliness in and out of the kitchen. 4-in-1 Colander with Bowl Set. The 4-in-1 Colander with Bowl Set is a multifunctional marvel that simplifies washing, draining, mixing, and storing. With its stackable design and integrated strainer, this set is perfect for handling everything from rinsing fruits and vegetables to mixing salad ingredients. The innovative design saves time and reduces the need for multiple kitchen tools. The attached colander rotates easily, making draining water quick and mess-free. Durable, lightweight, and dishwasher safe. This set is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen routine without sacrificing functionality. Zoe's Kitchen Egg Slicer. The Zoe's Kitchen Egg Slicer is a small but mighty tool that transforms how you prepare hard-boiled eggs. With its stainless steel wires and durable frame, this slicer effortlessly cuts eggs into even slices or wedges, perfect for salads, sandwiches, or garnishes. What makes this gadget indispensable is its versatility. Beyond eggs, it can also slice soft fruits like strawberries or kiwis, expanding its utility in the kitchen. Compact, easy to clean, and incredibly efficient, the Zoe's Kitchen Egg Slicer proves that even the simplest tools can make a big impact. Vovoli Cooking Spoon. The Vovoli Cooking Spoon is more than just a spoon. It's a multifunctional kitchen tool designed for stirring, serving, and even measuring ingredients. Made from heat-resistant, non-toxic materials, this spoon can withstand high temperatures, making it ideal for cooking soups, sauces, and stews. What sets it apart is its ergonomic design, which ensures a comfortable grip and precise control. The deep bowl allows for easy scooping, while the durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Whether you're cooking for a family dinner or experimenting with new recipes, the Vovoli Cooking Spoon is a reliable and versatile companion. McCook Knife Set. The McCook Knife Set is a chef's dream, featuring high-quality stainless steel blades that deliver precision and durability. This all-in-one set includes knives for every purpose, from chopping vegetables to slicing meats, along with a sharpener to maintain their edge. Each knife is crafted for comfort and control, with ergonomic handles that reduce hand fatigue during long cooking sessions. The set's elegant wooden block adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen while keeping your knives organized and easily accessible. With the McCook Knife Set, you'll feel like a professional chef every time you step into the kitchen. Kemper Stand Mixer. The Kemper Stand Mixer is the ultimate tool for bakers and cooking enthusiasts. With its powerful motor and multiple attachments, this mixer handles everything from kneading dough to whipping cream with ease. Its robust construction ensures stability during use, while the stylish design enhances your kitchen's aesthetic. The versatility of this mixer is unmatched. Whether you're baking bread, making pasta, or preparing dessert batter, it offers consistent results every time. Easy to clean and built to last, the Kemper Stand Mixer is an investment that pays off in delicious creations and effortless cooking. Orblue Dough Docker. The Orblue Dough Docker is a specialized tool designed to create perfectly even dough for pizzas, pastries, and more. Its sturdy spikes prevent dough bubbles during baking, ensuring a professional quality crust every time. Compact and easy to use, this gadget saves time and effort in the kitchen. Whether you're a professional baker or a home cook, the Orblue Dough Docker guarantees consistent results, helping you achieve the perfect texture for your baked goods. Soleater Plate Gripper. The Soleater Plate Gripper is a small yet incredibly useful tool for handling hot plates and bowls safely. Made from durable, heat-resistant materials, this gripper provides a secure hold, protecting your hands from burns and spills. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it easy to use and store. Whether you're serving hot dishes straight from the oven or transferring plates from a steamer, the Soleater Plate Gripper ensures safety and convenience, making it a must-have for any kitchen. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.